Hello student, myself Shiva and I am a teacher. So if I have any kinds of message for a student that is asking the question, student should go ahead with asking the question because student can ask the question to their teacher, to their parents, to their classmates also and to their elders. So it is very important, but students should aware about this also, that how kinds of questions must be asked by students. According to me, questions must be like these. First is how is it, second is why is it, and third is when is it, and fourth is who is it. These four types of question can make you understand in any kinds of some cases and concept. So this is very important to ask the question. I mean these types of four question ask when you are studying in front of a teacher. That time you need to ask these questions. So if I tell about myself, I have completed my BA, B.Ed with incompleted MA, and I am learner also. Mean fond of learning, mean eager to get knowledge more than more and better than better, mean go ahead with asking the question. So this is my passion, mean ask the question. So it is very important to all students. So today we are trying to get knowledge more than more by online system, by online method. Actually today I have a question with answer. So I want to tell to all of you, you know what is question? The question is, online teaching is good or bad? The question is, do you favor to online teaching? Are you favor in online teaching? How you give the importance to online teaching? So this type of question we want to tell to all. Actually, if I said about this, that it is completely right decision for student to teach online teaching, so I can't say that it is absolutely right decision for online teaching for a student. But during this situation of our country, when COVID-19 cases crossed 40,000 cases in our country and deaths 1393 have been done in our country, that time we are absolutely satisfied to online teaching, because online teaching provides you opportunity to access and share information, and many importance are there of online teaching, like you can manage your online class in any time, and you don't have to face for location to manage your online class. You can easily manage your online class. You can easily arrange your location somewhere else. You can arrange your location. So this is very important. But during this condition, when our country is facing a deathly disease, so this is very important. And by online teaching you can get more than more opportunity of teaching, and student and teachers can get a lot of knowledge by online, and thanks to the internet that learning is open to all. So it is very important, because if I am telling to you something, according to my video. So this is very important to me and you all. So it is most important. So now I have decided to come online and to teach to children, to teach my student also. And I have decided, so thanks to all to watch my video, and very 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 soon we will close within next video. And I hope, and I better hope that you all are good. So thank